Hello, everyone. Welcome as we explore mindfulness and meditation. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. People often turn to meditation to reduce stress, increase concentration, and cultivate a general feeling of well-being. Many beginners think meditation means turning off your thoughts or feelings. But it's really about observing them without judgment. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a small corner in your room with a cushion or a chair. Consider dimming the lights or lighting a candle. Some people like to have a blanket nearby as body temperature can drop during meditation. Sit comfortably with your back straight. You can sit on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. The goal is to feel stable and alert. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Don't alter it, just observe the natural inhalation and exhalation. Feel the air enter through your nostrils, your chest rise, and your belly expand and contract. As you focus on your breath, your mind will inevitably wander. That's okay. Gently acknowledge the thoughts or distractions and then return your focus back to your breathing. Let's practice a simple breathing technique together. Breathe in slowly through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Then exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. We'll do this for 2 minutes. Start now. Remember, it's normal for thoughts to wander. Recognize them, and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Try to meditate at the same time each day. Start with just 5 minutes daily. Gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with the practice. Consider using meditation apps like Headspace or Calm for guided meditations. They can be very helpful for beginners. Like any new skill, meditation takes practice and patience. Don't be too hard on yourself if it feels challenging at first. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Share your meditation journey in the comments below. Happy meditating!